What's up guys, I'm Brent, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a cutting board. Check it out. Alright, so I've got all my pieces cut up. Have a couple of 2-inch, 1/2-inch, and 1-inch strips. Just gonna go ahead and start gluing these together. I'm only gonna use 3 clamps because that's all that's really necessary for this job. Alright, so I've planed this down to 1/2 inch and then cut it to the final width, which is 10 inches. Now I'm going to go ahead, square off one end, and then we'll trim the other end to 14 inches. is cut to length, I'm going to go ahead and round over the edges. This is just a 3/8 inch round over bit. To go ahead, go on all 4 sides, and then after I use the router, I'm going to go ahead and fill in any little cracks or holes, and then I'll sand it and put a finish on it. Put a nice round over on that. I'm gonna go ahead and fill in a little bit of a hole there, and I think there's some cracks on the back side that I missed. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill those in, and then we can start sanding it. All right, so glue's dried. So now I'm gonna go ahead, sand it. I just have 150 grit, sand the entire thing, and then we can put some oil on it. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put some walnut oil on this. I really love this stuff for anything that needs to be food safe. And I put this on a lot of other stuff as well, just like shop furniture and things. It's awesome stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and put 1 coat. That's all you need. And then this will be done. Alright, this is a super fun project. I really love the way these woods go together. They look super cool. These are a super simple, fast project that you can make a whole bunch of and you can give away to other people. I'm really happy with the way this thing came out. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit the like button and share with all of your friends. If you want to see what else I'm working on, be sure to go check out my Instagram and Facebook pages. I'll have links to both of those down in the description. Also, if you want to help support me on Patreon, I will have a link to that down below as well. I'd like to thank Matt Berry for supporting me on Patreon. If you want to see some more of my content, be sure to hit the subscribe button right over here. If you enjoyed this video, you might enjoy some of my others. I'll have 2 of them pop up on the screen. Be sure to go check both of those out. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.